Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today what we're going to be doing is, this is going to be like a series, I guess, of parting this TL out. I was going to fix the timing belt, but I figured I'm broke and I need money right away and I'm not going to bother. I mean, that's going to cost me, I think it's $400 for the parts, and then, I mean, it could be just a bent valve, but I've never like taken apart a head or anything, so I don't really want to mess around with it. I don't have the time, so I am gonna take all this off, or I'm gonna take the manifold off, the throttle body, and the runners, and I'm gonna send them to SMP Performance to get ported. If you need any parts, let me know on Instagram. You can follow me at Revsalot. But so I already sold the intake that was on here. I need to repaint them, but I will be selling those also. So yeah, if you need parts, let me know. But today what we're going to be doing is removing the stock passenger or stock driver's side muffler. It's literally just that flange there, and then like the couple hanger hooks. So I was offered for the stock muffler and the lumbar support in here, 350 bucks. So I'm gonna sell that, so I gotta take this seat apart. This seat's all mangled anyway, so I'm pretty much just gonna try to rip the seat apart and see what happens. And I don't know, maybe I don't think there's any like tear downs of a TL, so if ever you need to replace a part, I'm pretty much parting this whole thing out. So I would also like to get the carbon fiber steering wheel, so I know these aren't cheap when they're all refurbished, so I don't know, we'll see. But lots of parts in here. It's got the umber interior. It's just this is ripped here, and I believe that's the only rip in this leather, so I don't know, we'll see. And right here, but let's go ahead. I'm just gonna completely remove the seat. I think it'd be easiest. I'm gonna do my best to try to get everything. I really need to get like a cell phone stand so I can stand this up, but these just seem to pop right off like that. But I'm gonna need two hands, and just pulled that right off. To remove these, it is a 14 mil. Slide this up and get the ones in the back. Also at the same time, I'm gonna lift the seat up just because I think it'd be easier to get to things. Friggin' bugs, guys. You can't see them, but I'm getting eaten alive here. Okay, so these, you just gotta slide them back, I believe, but I am gonna need two hands for that. Yeah. Okay, so I just kind of popped this off this way, and then I popped this bottom one and then pulled it over. So kind of like this, pop it to the side, pop the other one to the side, but there ain't much room. There's not much room at all. Put this right off here. Okay, come on. Anyways, that is out. Anyways, I just ripped this right off. Don't really care. Broke this side. Anyway, my whole thing is getting the seat out. This video is going to be like shaky because I'm trying to do everything with one hand and show you guys the process at the same time. I am going to get a cell phone stand, so it won't be, my next video won't be like this. It'll be way more sturdy. So underneath we got a face diaper, and then we got two clips there that you just unclip, pull up on this, and it should come right off. I'm gonna need two hands. Pull up on this and then it pops right off. This one here has a little tab there that you push and it'll pop right out. That's everything for this seat. Now let's get it outside. So the seat is out. What the hell? Lipstick in here. Another quarter here. Ugh. I found a few bucks and change in here so far in this car. Alright, so I brought this inside to escape the bugs. So this is the lumbar. I went ahead, removed all these clips. There's one there, this here. But yeah, it's pretty easy. You just push on the tabs on the back and pull all these out. Okay, so I actually went ahead, ripped the back of the seat off because I thought I could go ahead and remove all of these and follow the wire and just take the lumbar off. But holy jeez, guys, like this is a lot more difficult. Like I was following this wire and then it splits into this, so you'd have to pop it out of there and then follow the other wires to wherever they go. Who knows? They're just all over the place. Literally gotta take, like, the seat's pretty much trash, I think, after if you go ahead and remove all that. But so I just popped this back piece off. Now these clips here were in here, so when I pop this off, like, you pretty much got to break these tabs off. I don't know if you can replace them after, but when I pop that back piece off, this lumbar part broke. Like, the guy that's buying this, he said he just wants the motor, so he said just give me the cable and the motor. So I'm gonna go ahead, remove this cable here. I went here, unclipped this, and then I believe there's just held there by 2 nuts, and then that should come right off. If you ever do this, make sure your lumbar is not pushed out at all. Like, make sure it's like all the way flat, so that way I believe this cable would be easier to get off. But I got those off. Now it's just a matter of getting this off. But as you can see here, this part, like, this thing is so intertwined, so you just pull this back and then the cable will have enough play. I have no idea, like, look at that, guys. Like, I was gonna use a razor blade and cut this off and then just pop it. Yeah, so it's actually not as difficult as I'm making it sound. You just pull down and then there. Slide it out through the hole. I'm gonna need 2 hands, obviously. So I actually, like, just kind of popped this off here, and then when I went from behind, you gotta really kind of like pull this with both hands to give yourself enough of a gap to go ahead and remove that bigger bulk. Be able to get that bigger black section out, and then voila, then you got your lumbar motor here. Perfect. That's how you get the lumbar motor out, I guess. So a reupholster company apparently knows how to do all this. I can't see it being cheap to reupholster your seats, because it's quite a big job. Like, it's really in there, but they do it for a living, so maybe they know tricks and stuff. But anyways, so that's that video. It didn't really go as smooth as planned, but this is the main part he wanted, so it worked out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. Feel free to comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.